This is gonna be bad. You guys are about to see some wild shit here. Alright, man. Subscriber. Shout out random subscriber, stoplight. Sorry, no wheelie. It's fucking cold right now and windy. Anyway, headlight is still trash. What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video. We are heading out for a little One Wheel Wednesday. It should be mostly Groms and myself. I think Lou's bringing his big bike, but I just want to get a little bit more comfortable with this. Try to do some wheelies on the streets. So today will be a very first street wheelie ride with the DRZ. See how it goes. I really hope I didn't insert a crash clip right there. If I didn't, and you guys want to crash, get the fuck out of here. There's no crashes in this video. You're nuts?
I wrecked my nuts.
Yeah? I'm just kidding. Please stay. And while you're at it, give it a like and subscribe if you haven't done so already. I need my audience retention to go up, damn it. Nope. It is chilly. I don't know what's going on in Florida. Go and launches it right into my shin. He'll be on the forums tomorrow asking for a tire. A for effort, but I don't know about this. Trevor, there's nails there. Nails. More nails. So many bad ideas happening right now. It's like fucking cardboard. Go ahead. If you can make it, I can make it. I feel like I might kill one of the two people sitting down right there. That's pretty cool. Look, there's a nail right under that one. The small board. No, the small board. Look at the nails. It's such a bad idea. Let's go higher. I think they're trying to kill me. That's the only thing I can figure out from this. They're trying to kill one of us. All right, let's go.
Don't break it.
Oh, Brandon's gonna do it? Oh, I'm sorry.
Let Brandon test the ramp.
Yeah. He crashes before he hits it. Oh my god, whose Grom is that? So there's nails there, there's a nail there. No, wait, I want to do one normal one. Jesus. Oh man, they're trying to kill this kid. Jesus. Oh shit. That was all fucking front. They're trying to kill you. They're trying to fucking kill you, dude.
I'm not hitting that.
They fucking, it just went, so they went from this to that.
I'm gonna blow out my forks.
You're gonna blow your nutsack out before that.
I wrecked my nuts.
Alright, this is gonna be bad. I'm not doing this because I'm not crazy, but Trevor, watch out, homie. Record him with the slow-mo. I'm gonna try to get him with this. Alright. You guys are about to see some wild shit here. On a Grom. To the curb. I don't know what sparked, but something sparked when you fucking land.
Probably my
exhaust. Just let it down. Jeez, you couldn't even pan him. Holy shit! I'm not about that life yet. Little jumps, yeah. This fucking monster, hell no. It probably doesn't even look that big on fucking video, but she's a good like 4 feet in the air. Is he going again? It sucks being down there and then you know everyone's waiting for you. You're like, fuck. Guess I gotta do it. That's why I'm not gonna ride down there. That peer pressure's the motherfucker. Nope, crash. Oh my god, he wrecked his nuts. He wrecked his nuts. You alright?
Yeah.
You're nuts?
I wrecked my nuts.
Yeah?
Oh,
I heard something make a loud noise. Was that your balls?
yeah, that, my tires, my shocks, my bike, his whole bike.
You don't have to buy condoms now. That's the good news.